Special treatment in laundry work is our next topic, and under this topic we are going to look at just two objectives. And so by the end of this topic you should be able to identify and remove stains and carry out special treatment in laundry work. This home science topic is basically those two objectives, and we've recorded the detailed discussion on this topic, and it will be uploaded on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to be notified when we make that upload. Also consider installing the home science application to read all this on your own time. The beauty is you can use our resources, that is the apps available on your Google Play Store, in a smart way. You can study from them from any place at any time. See you in our next class.